crush me!
Wait, you can talk? In a quiet little town, there stood a tiny, colorful house full of dreams and laughter.
But one morning, something big rolled in.
Time to clean up the old town. Let's do this.
Wait! EM's still alive! Do not crush me!
Huh? You can talk? Of course! I have stories inside me. Memories of laughter and love.
And so, the Bulldozer became the house's best friend. Oh, making the town beautiful again.